Today we are going to inform you how evaluated the brain of mammals. Scientists say their brain has developed after two certain events. If you need to know how mammals evaluated their brains, you can stay with us. Indeed, this discovery may be awesome. Let's pay our attention towards what are the events that evaluated mammals' brain. Many of animals live on the land are mammals, but whale is a mammal. Although bat is a bird, it is a mammal. Scientists of Max Planck Institute of Animal Behavior and Stony Brook University used 1,400 mammals' brains. Some mammals used extinct, some live today. The research team includes biologists, evolutionary statisticians and anthropologists. This is a good matter. How evaluated brains relative to their bodies? Scientists needed to know whether there is a relationship between body size and brain size. Researchers studied and compared 104,000 mammals' brain mass. They studied fossils also. Here they were able to find Older's monkey skull also. Scientists compared skull and brain masses to get better understanding the relationship. Researchers wanted to know how the size of the brain grew related to the size of the body. Previously, scientists believed that along with the body size, brain mass increases and develops. They say that the intelligence of animal can be measured by the increase in the size of their brains relative to the size of their bodies. But in this study, scientists have proved this pattern is out of order. In order to understand better, let's take several examples. Everyone knows the friend of human at sea. It is dolphin. Body size of the dolphin decrease with time. But dolphin's brain increase in size. Its intelligence is very high. Apes have different body size. Humans have taken big brain when comparing ape's brain. Elephants have big brain beyond their body size. Elephants have high level intelligence, but it is less more than human. Human has a small body than elephant, but intelligence is very high than elephants. Biologist Jaron Ismail says body size is not an important factor of the intelligence because sea lion has a small body size and brain size. But sea lion's intelligence is marvelous. Some mammals have small brains. Their bodies are big, but when their bodies grow, brain decrease in size. Research scientist Dina Dechman said, for an example, bats use their brain in higher level in flying. Bats spend more efforts when they are flying. Now we are going to discuss events that will change brain sizes of the mammals. This study shows there are two events. First one is the big extinction event. This incident was happened at the end of Cretaceous era. We already know dinosaurs were extinct. After extinct of dinosaurs, scientists understood that mammals like bats, rodents and carnivores have shown their body size and brain size changes in significant level. The event of dinosaurs extinct was about 200 million years ago. After this cataclysm event, many of mammals have shown their brain changes. Brain changes of present live mammals can be analyzed by their ancestors' brain changes. Second event is climate transition. This incident was happened 23 to 33 million years ago. After these incidents, Apes, dolphins, and elephants have shown significant changes in their brain along with their body changes in size. However, end of this study we can say there are two major events that influence intellectual evolution. One is mass extinction event and other event is climate transition. After these events, intelligence of the mammals increased. Therefore, understanding the way of increasing intelligence is useless relative to brain size and body size.